What's up guys, it's me again with another quick and easy Final Cut Pro tutorial. In my last tutorial, which you can see here, I explained how to use markers when you are trying to cut your video clips to the beats. In this tutorial, we will learn another great trick to cut and sync your videos to the beats. Let's try it out and also let me know in comments if this is how you do it. Bring all your audio and video clips to Final Cut Pro. Create a new project and drag and drop the audio file into the timeline. Right click on the audio file and choose Lift from the storyline. Select the audio and choose a starting point. Use the blade tool and make a cut. Select the first part of the audio and delete it. Drag the remaining audio to the start. Similarly, choose the end point for the audio and make a cut using the blade tool again. Select the unwanted audio and delete it. Here comes the real part. Play from the start while constantly pressing the command key. Close your eyes and listen to the beats. Whenever you want to make a cut, press B on your keyboard. Once done, make a final cut at the end of the audio and delete the remaining gray part. Now go to the start and start bringing your clips to the timeline. Skim over the first clip you want to drag and choose the range you want to bring in by using I and O on the keyboard. Drag the selection to the first cut and drop it. Here you get some options to choose from. If your clip is longer than the cut size, replacing from start will shorten the clip from the end to fit within. Replacing from end will do the opposite. And replacing with retime to fit will increase the speed of the clip to fit everything within. Let's choose replace from start. Now bring all other clips in the similar fashion to the timeline. Select all the clips and reduce the volume to infinity and you are pretty much done here. Rest of the processes are optional which I am doing, such as video stabilization, color correction, color grading, etc. You can also bring in the cinematic bar to give it a cinematic look. After adding color fading to the first and last clip and adding a fade out to the audio, this is the final result one more time. Thanks for watching the tutorial. Give it a big thumbs up if you like. And also please consider subscribing to my channel to support me, as these are non-sponsored videos.